Okay, so the PureVision stove has a very simple air control system. We provide a really nice tool. You can use your hands, but safer to operate using the tool. The tool simply inserts into the device. If I move the device to the center, I'm slowly turning down the air intake. And if you watch the flame picture, I can almost turn the stove completely off. If I introduce air to the left, I'm introducing secondary air above the flames. If I move the control over to the right, you'll see that the flame changes. I'm now introducing primary air beneath the fuel grate, below the fuel. You would usually use this setting if you was burning coal, but I would always strongly advise that you just burn wood with this product. Much cleaner fuel. You can also see the tertiary air. You can capture that vortex tornado that I was talking about earlier. That also assists in how clean the glass stays. Hence the name PureVision as well. Okay. Okay, we're going to talk about some more features with the PureVision stove. One of the main unique selling points is our active baffle system. With modern stoves, the baffling systems have been made very restrictive. So when you start your fire in the morning, sometimes it can be a challenge to get the flue draft. Flue draft, basically inside your flue system, you've got freezing cold static air, and you're trying to get the fire established, and so the warm air has got to push the cold air up and out the top of the chimney. The PureVision helps you do that. So if I open the door, I set the stove to ignition. If you look inside the stove, and I will try and shine some light on that, you can see that the baffle system is now open. Okay, if we go above the stove and we can look down, we can see that the fire is going to go directly into the chimney, and that's going to really help push the cold air up and out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to achieve the flue draft. Once flue draft has been achieved, we can then go across to the auto position, and when I close the door, you can see the active baffle engage, and now I've got maximum efficiency. When I come to refuel and put another log onto the stove, open the door, and you can see the active baffle drops down. So you're getting no smoke coming into the room, it's all travelling in the opposite direction. You close the door again, and the baffle closes. Okay, so when you're using the PureVision stove, obviously the ash is then collected into the ash pan. The ash pan is a stainless steel production, so long life, long lasting product. The tool that I used earlier to control the air, if you flip that over, you've got a nice little slot in the ash pan, and all the ash is collected. So every 3 or 4 fires, you're going to empty the ash and then simply replace your ash pan. The ash will work its way into the ash pan. There is a riddling system, but if you're burning wood only, the ash will make its own way into the ash pan. It's only if you're burning coal, obviously you're going to have bigger chunks of coal, and that might need shaking for the ash to drop into the ash pan. But again, we just think wood is the best fuel, so the riddler is not really necessary. We're now also going to talk about the door latch mechanism. If you can just zoom into the latch, I'm going to demonstrate how at the top and the bottom of the PureVision you have a roll ball system, and you'll see it engage. So when I close the door, you'll see, when you open a PureVision door, the hand and the handle help you open the door. To close it, just the palm of the hand.